Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Saraswati Yoga. Saraswati Yoga has been formed in a particular pattern where Mercury, Jupiter and Venus are in a particular position which gives an Saraswati Yoga. Let's study in detail. When Mercury, Jupiter and Venus are in the Kendra, second house or Trigona house from the ascendant, it forms the Saraswati Yoga in the horoscope of the native. The strength of Jupiter in the Kundali also an important factor leading to Saraswati Yoga. So the three benefic planets Mercury, Jupiter, Venus should be placed either in Lagna or in 2nd, 4th, 5th, 7th, 9th or 10th from the ascendant, from the first house. Jupiter must be strong in its house or by exaltation. It should be strong in one particular house or in exaltation. Let's see the benefits of Saraswati Yoga. Benefits of Saraswati Yoga. The effects of the yoga depends on several factors. Sometimes the effects are benefic, while at the other time it will be malefic because all the planets own two houses. Saraswati Yoga may have positive effect on the native. The benefits of the Saraswati Yoga are: the native has an supreme wisdom and knowledge. He is intelligent and quite fortunate in other aspects also. The individual with the Saraswati Yoga in Kundali are likely to gain name and fame. If interested, they can be creative artists and musicians. They will definitely possess the skill to compose prose, poem and drama. The native shall have immense knowledge of mathematics, the Ganita. The individual shall have a beautiful handwriting and melodious voice. The native with the Saraswati Yoga will surely be rich and prosperous, will enjoy marital bliss too. This is my website. The link of the website is given in the description box. Anyone can reach me through the website or telephone, mobile, WhatsApp, Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.